Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I'm Kushi Shetty here with the latest news. India's urgent need for shock-proof digital infrastructure. On July 19th, a software glitch caused widespread disruptions across the supermarkets, banks, hospitals, as well as airports. Approximately 200 flights were shut down. The downtime had affected global communication networks and highlighted the vulnerability of these interconnected systems. Digital public infrastructure. So what is this? It is a block for the digital ID, payment infrastructure, as well as data exchange to enable digital inclusion. It manages people, money, as well as data. So that is what I mean when I say ID system, payment system, as well as a consent-based sharing. India Stack. APIs enabling digital services will include Aadhaar, UPI, and data empowerment protection architecture for a secure data sharing. The key Indian government digital initiatives are, you have a lot of this, like you can talk about the JAM Trinity, India Stack, e-government services, rural and regional initiatives, broadband mission and data center policy, as well as NOFN and Digital India. Digital India Initiative was launched on July 1st of the year 2015 by the Indian government. The objectives were so that they can, bridge the digital divide, promote participation, boost economic growth, as well as enhance all the living standards. There are 9 pillars: broadband, mobile connectivity, public interest access, e-governance, e-Kranti, information access, electronics manufacturing, IT jobs, all these plus early harvest programs. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.